Hi and welcome. My name is Doug, and here we are to talk about financing and mortgages for the tour you just saw at 32070 Peardonville Road in Abbotsford, British Columbia. So, well, let's get right to it, shall we? As you look here, the purchase price is $369.9, and with 5% down, that's $18,495. At the current mortgage would be $365,461 with the added mortgage insurance, $14,056. On a 25-year amortization at 2.99%, you're looking at a monthly payment of about $17.28 a month. That's not including your maintenance fees and things like that, but I'll discuss that information a little bit later. With 10% down, you have a lesser mortgage insurance of $10,320, but you are putting $36,999 down. At a 25-year amortization, you're at $1623 a month. And if you're able to do 20%, so we go to the very end, if 20% is available with a $73,980 down payment, there is no mortgage insurance. Your total mortgage for the property would be $295,920. And because we're putting 20% down, we can push the amortization to 30-year amortization, which will lower the payment to $1,243 a month. Great. And then you have your maintenance fees on here as well. So when we look at the maintenance fee on this particular property, it's close to $369. And then we also add in the mortgage, the property taxes for the property, which is $1,000 a month. And of course, if you live in there, you will get a $575 grant back from the government, but we're going to go with the full payment of $1,000. So quite frankly, with all of that in, you're looking at about a monthly payment of $2,179 at 5% down. And the income required for that is $81,750 a year is what you're looking at for that kind of payment. To qualify, however, for 5% down, we have to use the benchmark rate of 5.25 that the federal government sets. And based on that 5.25, instead of the discounted rate you would get, the monthly payment goes to $2,600, and the income required for that is $98,631. So quite frankly, if you were buying this house with 5% down, you would have to qualify at the 5.25% rate, which means you have to show an income of $98,631. Then you can go back and get the discount. And also, if you're putting 20% down on this property as well, the income needed for that is $81,749. But again, the benchmark would be placed on there at 5.25%. And again, you would have to show an income of $98,631. So all in all, that's what you're looking at. However, there are some extra added costs that aren't included in the mortgage. One, your down payment for one, and the property transfer tax. And on this particular property, the property transfer tax is almost $5,400. So just add that $5,400 to your down payment. Those are the costs that you have to bear outside of a mortgage. And of course, appraisal fees, if those were possible. But if you're putting less than 20% down, CMHC does their own appraisals, the banks do them, and they're included. So you don't have to pay for those outside of that. Anyways, that's what you're looking at for this particular property. I hope that helped. If you have any further information, you can contact me at dougjaatkinson@gmail.com. Ask me any questions. There's more information in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed that. And if you have any more financing information, give me a call, contact me, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks again, and see you next time.